In the eyes of a cow, we see a reflection of hope. This is the story of Gou Chetana, where a handful of dedicated individuals and a small herd of rescued cows sparked a transformation that would ripple across an entire community. It began with a problem that plagued many Indian villages: abandoned cows and struggling farmers. But where others saw despair, we at GoPals saw an opportunity.
We have very few cowherd communities left who are still practicing cow rearing with their native practices. And they had lost all their hopes and they were all struggling for their livelihood and they wanted to upkeep their cattle stock. And at this moment, GoPals had given them a very big hope.
It's a flagship that focuses more on reviving traditional cow rearing practices. It aims at providing infrastructure facilities, educational and knowledge to the farmers who rear native cows. It also creates awareness in local public about our native cows.
Today, Gou Chetana has grown significantly from its humble beginnings. The initiative now supports a substantial herd of cows and works with numerous farmers across the region.
The next 10 years, we hope to reach the general masses, the general public, and then explain about the benefits of native cows. And we also want to have wide adoption of sustainable farming practices and extend our support to the native cow farmers. So thereby creating an environment of community-driven environment. We also want to extend our lot of initiatives for the farmer community and also create a facilitation platform for them to market their sustainable produces.
We welcome any donation, be it through volunteerism or through money. You can log into www.gopals.com/support our cow herd to know more about this and how we can donate to this cause.
From a small herd to a movement, GoPals Gou Chetana initiative shows us that when we protect nature, nature protects us. This is the power of Gou Chetana, nurturing life one cow at a time.